candidate number 4.
Oo ba? This is the final. Ay, isa pa lang. Kaya na to? Oo ba? Kaya na to?
Wala bang picture? Wala?
Tapang ba?
Picture lang po. Yan. Okay, for our third runner-up, I'm sorry, the second runner-up, with an average score of 95.8%. Our second runner-up is to be awarded by Kagawad, Willie, and Danilin. Okay, our second runner-up will receive 3,000 pesos, a flag, and a flash. Our second runner-up is candidate number 11.
Guys! Parang totoo. Hindi totoo. Laro? Bim! Ay, dahil may namatay na doon. Hindi ka natanggap. Tama?
Okay.
Ay, dahil.
Ang tangkad mo kasi na. Okay, our first runner-up will receive 5,000 pesos, a sash, and a clock. And of course, our first runner-up is to be awarded by Harley Yaris again and Miss Pamela. Our first runner-up with an average score of 96.4%. Our first runner-up is candidate number 9. And our Miss Gay 2024 with an average score of 96.6%. Okay, our title for tonight with an average score of 96.6% is to be awarded by Kagawad TV Castro, please. Ayun din na. Sino? Kagawad Will and Miss Magayones, please. Our Miss Gay 2024 is candidate number... Yes, of course, bullseye, candidate number 7. Miss Barbie Gondra.
Gondra! Bullseye ka sa akin later!
Our third runner-up is candidate number 4, second runner-up is candidate number 11, third runner-up is candidate number 9, and our first ever Miss Gay 2024 is candidate number 7.